Why do you think so?
You see, there will be movement. If Dr. Gan Chaudhary, if he brings out any order that Roman script is not allowed, you will find, brother, tomorrow all the routes will be blocked. That is why I am telling you. Huge movement will erupt. It will be wastage of time. Police forces will be there. People won't be able to come from Dharmanagar to Agartala. People from Agartala won't be able to move to Dharmanagar. Routes will be blocked. So that is why I told that law and order situation also will get affected by this kind of decision. So I want to appeal to the government and also to the president of the board. Don't take all these decisions, things which have been happening. Students were writing in both the scripts. Allow them. Keep the situation peaceful. Both the communities, Tiprasa, Vansa, all were staying together, and our relation should become much more stronger. Don't hamper this. If anyone comes and tells me that Bengalis are not allowed to write in Bengali script, I will be the first person to go for movement against them. Who are you coming from UP? Who are you coming from Tamil Nadu? Will tell a Bengali man not to use Bangla script? We are for one another.
But Dr. Gan Chaudhary is not a very common person. He is a literate person. So, what do you think? All of a sudden, he raised this issue when there's he also know about what the assembly and the status of three members committees are also.
This is why again and again I was telling. There must be some group of people who are instigating him. দাদা আপনার তো আর খুব বেশি চাকরি নেই, একটা কিছু গোলমাল করে দিয়ে দেন। মূলা জলে মাছ শিকার করতে যারা চায়, maybe he is listening to them and he may not be bothered for the government decision even I am telling you. I saw he is an old man.
He is a retired person.
Retired person. So, Honorable Chief Minister and all the Honorable Ministers, they should be taking this matter seriously, because one small mistake by Dr. Gan Chaudhary can hamper the government, can hamper the law and order situation in this state, which I don't want. Thank you.